welcome to my June 2019 Ipsy Glam bag unboxing, or unbagging, or whichever is more the appropriate term here. Actually, this will be the first month that I have Ipsy Glam bag plus coming, but that has not arrived yet, so I can't unbox that, but my normal bag has come. So I got the green Tetris bag, which, while not the one that I ideally wanted, green's a good one out of the different options. My mom got the orange one, I got green. We both wanted the purple one. The dark blue also would have been acceptable, but the green's not bad. Look at the little zipper pull, it looks like a Tetris block. I can't say as I'm too sad about that. I mean, it's the Z block, so it makes me think Eliza with the Z. Which is funny that my mom got the orange one because she has the L block, so between the two. Anyway, it's a very soft blocky too, by the way. So I was able to trade her my spare Gardenia hand lotion from last month's bag, because remember they had to send me a replacement. So I ended up with 2 of that. They did send me some different stuff, but that was the same, so I was able to trade her the spare of that for this lip fondant, and half caked, because she doesn't wear bright pinks like that, but I do. So this is, where is it? Oh, it's in Sweet Tooth, actually. Babe tested, vegan approved. If I can get it open, I'll be able to show it to you guys, but it's being difficult. This plastic smell is also not great. There we go. I'll just throw some plastic in here. It's very cute packaging though, I must say. It is quite bright. Look at the little sprinkles, they're so cute. Does it have the name here? Yes, it does. Okay, because I was like, do I need to keep it in the box? I do not. The tube shape of this reminds me of that, what was it? I want to say it was like MDM something fluid. That was a kind of similar but darker color than this, but it smelled like literal bug spray, so I never used it. Hopefully this smells better than that. Oh, thank God it does. Actually, you know what this smells like? This smells like almost identical to the glosses and lip balms in the Tetris collection that I just finished filming. That's okay though, because they smell like vanilla, so I am quite okay with that. And it's a really pretty color, so I'm looking forward to doing that one. So that wasn't officially part of my bag, but I made it part of it. So, oh, where's the little thingy? There it is. So, June 2019, welcome to the block party. We're kicking off summer bright, think rainbow-hued glam bags stacked with vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss, megawatt highlighters, and more. We even teamed up with Tetris to create an exclusive makeup collection that's bursting with color. Ready to play? Hashtag Ipsy Block Party. And I find it interesting that they have packaging in here that I don't think was ever part of the Ipsy, or the Tetris collection, so I'm like, what are these? Where did they come from, and why are they not part of my Tetris collection? Like, whatever this is in the blue block box, what is that? Because I sure as heck don't have it in the box, unless that's like individually packaged shadows of like a single color, because I see Teaspin on its own here in what looks like a yellow box, so maybe that's what I'm seeing here, and that is part of the palettes that I do have, so in that case I guess I have them. But in this rainbowy thing here, whatever that is, I sure don't have that. Then on the back, score, Glam Bag Plus is here, you asked for it, we heard you, and now it's here, get on board with Bibles, and blah 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 blah. Yeah, I signed up, so it just needs to show up. Then we've got my list of my 5 things that I got. A little info about them, which I'll read as I do each thing. We hope your 5 picks will inspire you to tell your own color story. Don't forget to rate them for a chance to make your glam bag even more personalized next month. No kidding, I do that every month, so I get my bonus stuff with the points. But anyway, let's go on in. So first thing, okay. Oh, the first thing is last but not the list. This is the Pixie by Petra Lip Lift Max in Sheer Rose, which looks like this, but it may go on a lot sheerer than that if this picture is anything to go by, but that's okay, because the color it looks like it goes on is actually really pretty. So a single swipe of this peptide-infused lip color gives you full, soft, and supple lips. It's made with aloe to heal, jojoba to moisturize, and chamomile to soothe. And it's versatile. The sheer rose shade looks killer on all skin tones, which is good. Tip, wear the slightly cooling lip shade alone for a sheer wash of rosy color, or on top of any lip color to add a shot of shine. So there's that. Again, looking forward to reviewing that guy. Next we have... I have to laugh at this. Of course I would get this one. Reading through the Ipsy subreddit, it doesn't look like a lot of people got this one, but I got this one. It's a little perfume sample called I Am Trash, with rotting garbage on it. Oh boy, somebody named a perfume after me! Etat Libre de Orange Paris Eau de Parfum. Oh boy. It's actually bigger than most of the perfume samples are, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. It does have the Who's Mod Target almost on it, so that's kind of cool, but I will say, just opening it, this smells exactly like my grandma's perfume, which is not an insult to her. This actually doesn't smell like garbage, I will throw out there. This actually, like, she always wore Chanel No. 5, and this smells exactly like that, so okay, that's kind of interesting how they can get away with that, of ripping off another perfume. I don't know, but I guess there's only so many scents you can do, so maybe it smells different on, but just smelling it like that, it smells exactly like Chanel No. 5. Just saying. That's the only reason why I know the number, is because it's what she wore like her entire life. Eau de Parfum, made in France, beauty will save us from waste. A fragrant resurrection with upcycled ingredients, the first modern perfume of the 21st century. There are treasures in the trash, and we have found them for you. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and sniff. The most wanted scent made from the unwanted. Aha! Notes: bitter orange upcycling, apple upcycling, rose upcycling, cedarwood upcycling, and gariguette strawberry. On paper, that sounds horrible. I'm still kind of like, is this like filled with mold or anything I should be worried about? I don't know. I may do a review with this, but there is somebody on Reddit who's looking for specifically this one, so I may let them have it after that, because I don't know how I feel about this, guys. I'm kind of uncomfortable with it. Although it does make me laugh that, oh, of all the things I could have gotten, of course I would get I Am Trash. Because I am trash. But anyway, next thing. I'm real happy about this one. This is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. It restores the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. Hey Honey infuses the antibacterial and antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis into their products. This pink, with an exclamation point, antioxidant-rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to help protect skin, restore elasticity, I can say it, and provide long-lasting hydration. Tips: start with clean skin, apply an even layer over your face and neck, let sit for 10 to 20 minutes while it soaks into your skin, wipe off any excess with a damp towel. Oh, so it's like not even fully a mask, it just absorbs in your skin and you just wipe off any residue after. Okay, I can get behind that. That actually sounds like it's probably really good for you. Okay. Kind of stoked for that. My skin needs all the help it can freaking get. And then the Tetris item I got in my bag, which I already have in the Tetris collection, that's okay, so I have a spare of it, is the Tetris and Ipsy Lip Balm in Mad Skills. This is the corally one. It came looking very wet and melty because it was like 106 out when it arrived. It's looking a lot better after spending some time in the fridge, just saying. It's got a purpley middle, a corally outside, and it smells like vanilla. Can't really complain. There is a very, very subtle gold shimmer in the outside layer, but none in the purple layer. So there is that. And then it says, let me put it in the box first. We partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Made with jojoba oil, this sheer coral balm will coat your lips in long-lasting hydration. Tip: wear this lip balm alone for a light sheen. Apply it before matte lip colors to keep hydrated and prevent flaking. Mix it with your favorite lip colors to create a stain. Interesting. And then finally, the last thing I got, I'm actually really excited to see how this does. It's a blue nail polish. Look at it, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's beautiful. By Fluid. 7 free polish in Secret Project Robot. Fluid is a collection of colorful, cruelty-free makeup for all gender expressions, gender identities, and skin tones, which we can totally see in this fun royal blue polish. The best part, it's 7 free, aka no nasty chemicals included, and vegan. Tip: apply 2 even coats, then finish off with a clear top coat for shine. Okay. I love the slightly rounded bottle. It makes me think of an ice cube. It's really cute, and I love what all this brand stands for. So, anyway, that's it for my normal Ipsy Glam bag unboxing for this month. Check back soon when I do my first Ipsy Glam bag plus unboxing whenever that arrives. The tracking apparently is useless since this wasn't even supposed to be here yet, and yet it showed up yesterday. And the other one was supposed to be here and isn't here yet. Who the frick knows anymore? So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.